Look at the crane. It is trying to catch a fish. Since a long time the crane has been trying to find fish. But it is not able to catch it. Look at the slender neck. How flexible it is. How tall it can rise up. The spirit of this crane is what we need. The never give up attitude. Keep trying. Keep working hard. Keep finding new ways and means to achieve what we want to. Don't get perturbed by the waves, the circumstances. Find what we need in and through them. In another context, it is said that the crane stands still sometimes as though it is lost in peace, contemplation, meditation. But the moment a fish comes near it, immediately it pecks at the fish. Many times we find that we try to meditate, but our mind is actually thinking of sense objects. So Gurudev Swami Chindananji used to say that all of us are expert meditators. Everyone knows how to meditate. Nobody has to be taught. The only difference is some meditate on the Lord, but majority meditate on the sense objects. So we should not be like the crane in that context. Our mind must be single pointed in thinking about the Supreme Lord. So Bagula Dhyan is what we should avoid. And do Dhyan like Hamsa Pakshi, the swan, which knows how to discriminate between water and milk, and it is the Vahan of Mother Saraswati. So we should know what is real and what is unreal. Like the swan drinks the milk, leaves the water. We choose the supreme, the permanent, the eternal, and leave the ephemeral. And in that process, we must have the never give up attitude. It may be subtle, it may be tough, but we must continuously strive. In and through circumstances, we have to strive to realize the Supreme. Have a lovely day ahead.